Copy.
Yung blazing yung...
Gagard rin ako.
Ay, no.
Doon ba yun? Longbow.
Ako silang DA.
Pag-guard doon ulit, please. Ako muna mag-guard doon.
Guardians.
Uy, antayin nyo mag-expire yung isang guard doon.
Wala kang guard run ngayon.
Ako muna mag-guard doon.
Ready ah. I see complete DPS na. They can kill. Get ready for clap. That's a fake. Ready your defensives.
Ready for clap ba? Ready for clap. Gate 10.
Ito,
lang ah.
nag-clerical tong
Sa wall.
bedrock sa wall.
Ready to drop on the gate ah. Ready to drop on the gate ah.
Gate how many
Pasag na.
First na. Look at the gate ah. Look at the gate.
May 1v1 ako sa top. May 1v1 ako.
2, 1.
Ready na ako, ready.
Ay, gagi.
Drop. Guard runes on the choke. Pakipokpok tong wall.
Nasa ano sila? Southwest wall lahat.
May stuck yung earth rune ah.
Nag-engage yung perma. Nag-drop yung perma.
Copy.
Sige pre, ka-1v1 ko.
Bombers out.
1v1 ko pre. Don't worry.
Pwede mo headbuttin yan ha, kaya natin yan.
Copy. Over the wall.
Clear guards.
Wait.
Kill guards prayo niya.
Nag-engage na sila.
Nag-miss-engage.
Trickling in na sa'yo at relation. Joker guild din.
Direction please.
Ano kaya ang comp nila pre? Brawl o club?
Brawl clap.
Ready to drop E. Ready to drop E on this guard ring. 3, 2, 1. Drop is now.
Zoning sa inyo.
Nice one.
Pa-watch northwest niya.
Patay mo na nga itong isa to. Ito.
May bumabomba sa isa.
Tier 7.
Sige pre. 5-2 lang to pre.
Inchap.
More coming up. Pa-watch ng Bronx.
Ready. Okay. 5 seconds.
Bawas defensive yan.
You can go in.
5 depends.
They're holding second floor. They're holding
Over the wall.
Okay. Ready to drop is
Clear the guards. Clear the guards.
Wait. Defensive. Ready to counter in 3, 2, 1. Drop is now on this earth rune. Tak.
Another party of Joker Alliance. The mid coming na rin.
Clear guards.
Clear guards muna. Clear this one. Boss Daniel, bumalik ka!
Sige lang, tuloy mo lang.
Huwag kang ma-stress, konti lang yan nandito sa taba. Pababa. They're inching up.
Ayan, 5-2 lang yan.
Patayin nyo na lang din. Para wala na.
The mid color coming na rin dyan.
Kodadam? Okay.
16 na, 16.
Fully OC'd sila.
16.
Hindi ko pa ipapaos.
Okay, OC na. Everybody OC.
Lynching sila.
Copy.
Hindi pa
May
mag-engage.
headbutt yan ha.
Copy. Headbutt tayo. Wait tayo. Ito. Mag-engage na to.
May kalaban?
Both party control.
Hanap.
Ingat.
Ingat sa jag jag pool.
Huwag niyong tapakan yung yung kinang
Ready
nature.
to drop is on the gate in 3, 2, 1. Drop is not. Tank ng drop.
Medyo malalim ka, Raksasa.
Copy.
Sige lang.
Nakausin na kayo? Nakausin na.
Inching.
Looking ah. Ready your pot.
Sige lang. Goods lang.
Ay.
Wait.
Re-engage mo.
No. Kalma lang. Inch up a little bit.
Dito ka na ba? Okay.
Oo. Ready. Shallow.
Engaging.
Dep. Shallow on the Skullmark west side. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice!
Nice hit, boys.
Pati pantubos. Ingat sa loot. We can engage.
Cycle fast. Ready defensive up front ha. That's fake.
Nag-engage sa akin.
Copy.
Nag-engage sa akin. Oh my god.
Boss Janel.
Ready, west side. Skullmark west side. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice try. Ay, patay yung Skullmark. Nicely done. Get ready defense. Blazing.
Pwede 21 now.
Copy. Left front. Tell me when ready, okay?
Naka-demon kami.
We're going deep. Ready your occult. Engage occult. Ready, deep northwest side. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god.
Nice hit, boys. Come back fast.
Oo nga.
Nice pull,
Manimik na
Raksasa.
to. Static to.
Help Raksasa at front, okay? Engaging front. Nagbato ng spirit pero walang follow up.
Naka-guard
Dep.
ako dyan. Naka-guard rin ako dyan.
Nice, good shit.
Alam ko ng mga
Ready.
front.
Ready. Inch up kayo ng a little bit, tas sa may gate, northwest gate tayo. Northwest gate, ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate now. Then ka bakas. Copy. Go southeast a little bit. Clear tayo ng guards right now.
Cleanse ng jog spec.
Pwede nyo normalin tong guys. Yan, thank you.
Si Janix, gago. Yeah, kiss double is sanda na.
Inching yung collar.
Tell me ready.
Nasa may
Looking naman.
major
Ready?
siya.
Northwest on damage now. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on damage now. Copy. It's fine. Pa-cleanse ako please. No, jug. Ready defensive.
Inside nyo yung golem Inside nyo yung golem.
Yep. That's fake.
Nag-engage sila sa back.
Copy. Ready on damage again. On the crystal mage. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Huwag nyo kalimutan guys ha. Normalin. Patay.
Looking na.
Okay, napatay na yung makulit sa likod.
Shaper. Help Nidal front.
Sige lang siya, may guard doon ako dyan.
Files ako kay Nidal. Ready. On me now. Crown. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the crown now. Okay, come back.
Sige, normalin nyo lang guys pag malapit.
Tanggalin niyo yung stocks.
Ay, dalawa yung jug.
Normalin nyo.
Ready, deep northwest again. Just double nyo lang. Deep northwest, ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep northwest now. Then ka pa pass.
Sige na, naka-demon kami.
Engage.
Dep. Nice demon. Help front.
Balik lang kagad kayo guys.
Nice
para
heals
di kayo
boys,
may
nice heals. We're good, we're still fine.
Normalin nyo nga ulit to. Makulit to eh.
Ready, northwest shallow, ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest shallow now.
Cleanse.
Nababab kayo ng alin?
Natulak sila ng bedrock.
Copy.
Nakatags pa.
Inching
Left front.
Yun na.
Ready,
Dami na
shallow northwest, ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just shallow. Di tayo yeah.
Hey,
Just go back. Ready, dep. Nice dep, boys.
Atras na.
Cycle fast.
Jade. May engage pa yung... Hindi. Engage na.
Hold. Ready, inside of us now, northwest side. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now.
Nice
hit.
Patay yung isang color na lang.
Ang daming dita.
Careful they're looking.
Dep.
Sige, nakademon kami.
Cycle fast.
Isa pa yan. Sige lang. Atras lang.
Tell me ready. Ready, shallow northwest now. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow now. Hit.
Shooting inside.
Sige lang. Out. Nag-out ako dyan. Out lang kayo.
Copy. Thanks.
North side.
Fail engage.
Ready, northwest shallow. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest shallow now. Nice. We kill one.
Sige lang.
Nice.
Kiss double side.
May
Keep
multiple
cycling cooldown
engage
lang,
sila guys. Rotate nyo lang. Huwag nyo ilapag lahat.
Uy, may tornado.
Reset ka muna, Barl.
Okay. Hold. Left front. Ready, you're looking north barrier now. North barrier, ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Hit me. Nakapag-clear. We're going pick.
Engaging.
Kailan.
Careful front.
Heal sa choke. They're looking. DPS looking.
Ranging up. Masyado nang mag-skip. Janel.
Yup. Just tell me when ready.
Hindi ka namin mga support.
Ready on the crown now. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the crown now.
Bullshit na.
Nice hit, boys. Good shit.
Balik agad, guys. Please, balik agad.
Kabak.
Sige,
Break the choke. Come
Stop.
Yep.
Labas ka agad, guys. Labas.
Pushing tropa rin sila.
Labas na.
Gaguard lang ako yan.
Dep.
Na-engage yung front.
Ready. Shallow on the choke now. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the choke now.
Namatay si
Sige,
Major.
Come out,
Dinadaanan
south side.
Dinadaanan
Siguro
natin.
kung naglalag si Nidar o AFK medyo...
East side. Hold kayo dyan.
Six pa rin.
May makulit
Yes,
na spear. May makulit na spear sa loob. May sa back side.
D26 right.
Tier 7 lang yun.
Ang sakit.
Tang inang kat eh. Get ready. I'll be faking si Raksasa yung engage natin, okay? I'm faking. Bisa lang na bait. Raksasa Northwest dito sa crown. Get ready on the crown. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the crown now.
Out.
Full def.
Sige, may demon kami dyan.
Kamakas.
Out kagad.
Down the choke. Tell me ready. Engage, looking sila.
Layo kayo, guys.
shallow.
Pero di kami engage dyan.
Hold. Ready on the choke. Everything on the choke. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the choke now. Di ako nakatagos dun sa firewall. Just cycle lang.
Yeah.
That's
Dad's roll.
roll.
Jacket please. Meron.
DPS, go southwest a little bit. Stay lang kayo dito, D-Tanks. DPS, go southwest a little bit.
Auto nyo tong jug, please.
Ilan?
Get ready, you're looking northwest na over the wall. Northwest over the wall. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall, northwest. This is huge. Nice hit, boys. Come back fast.
Demon.
Dep.
Nakademon kami. Go lang.
Nice step. Cycle fast. Just cycle fast.
Balik agad.
Color inside ah.
Ready, you're looking shallow on the
Hindi
skull
yung
mark.
color.
West side, ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt.
Padala tayo dyan, guys.
Nice headbutt.
Nice one.
Good shit.
Pa 7.3 yun ah.
Patayin to.
Cycle fast.
Nice guard runes, guys.
Makalis.
Just hold. Ready, northwest over the wall. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice hit, boys. Good job. Ready, defensive.
Engaging now.
Demon. Galaw agad dyan.
Move.
Para di kami mahirapan.
Another one.
Help Raksasa.
Gagawin ko na kita dyan. Galaw ka lang.
It's good.
Ready, shallow on the choke now. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the choke now. Hit the choke. Ang ina, di pa pala mababagsak yung jug dun. Hindi ko na timingan yung jug. Ready, Dep.
Guard rune.
Dep front. Down the choke kayo. Hold lang.
Jacket.
In jacket. Ready. Fake Raksasa. Pa-fake ako Raksasa. Ready. You're looking on the crown now. Northwest over the wall. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest over the wall now. Nice hit, boys.
Oh, out. Out kagad.
Uy.
Nag-engage. Def.
Tell me when ready.
Pantay lang.
May engage siya.
Ready on the northwest now. Deep northwest side. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep northwest. Come back. Nice try.
Nice, may napatay pa din.
Kala ko may mabibigla tayo doon. Meron naman napatay. Just hold.
Loot ka lang dyan.
Doot ka lang dyan.
Kunin mo lang itong makyo ko. Pag ka, kaya kunin mo lang na.
Ano naman?
Hold.
Naman yung jug.
Ready, northwest now. Northwest now. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just northwest shallow. Just shallow. Hit shallow.
Mag-out ako. Out kayo. Demon.
Help front.
Sige, Lancel
Sail out
dito.
front. Nice. Good job. Shaper. Ready. Northwest over the wall. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tangina, buhay yung ano.
Out.
We're fine. Nice defensives, boys. Nice defensives.
Ay, Badan Bomber Southwest Invis Bomber.
Copy.
All rise
Ay,
yan.
all rise yan eh.
Always.
G proper
Ready.
picking.
Hold. Southwest a little
May
bit, boys.
ditang ka,
Go
may
southwest a
ditang.
little bit. Yeah.
Hello.
Go southwest a little bit. Ready. Northwest over the wall. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest over the wall now. Nice hit, boys.
Ready defensive. Mag-out muna ako. Oh.
Copy.
Okay,
Shaper.
Ready.
Okay, magstay dyan, please.
Hindi na wala.
Talo yun, ready. Ay, hindi tayo makapush through. Laki nila masyado. Ready. Hold. Ready. Just shallow on the detox northwest side. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest now. Uy, laki. Putang ina mo. Palo. Yan ka makas.
Nice, GA.
Help Eveless in front. Pa-help kay Eveless, tsaka kay Jeremia.
There.
Jeremia, there you go.
Okay, GA.
Kasi
Mabakas.
may demon kami dito. Naka-demon kami.
Ready, northwest now. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just northwest shallow. Just shallow. Hindi ko madakot yung ano. Hindi.
Shaper engaging, shaper. Oh.
Normal ulit ng Juggernaut. Thank you. Dalawa ang puto.
Dalawa nga eh.
Isang ditang apawat siyang Southwest. Mamaya matuhog yung DPS natin.
Just hold.
31 DA na. 31.
Copy.
Pwede ko hugutin yung west boss dun nila.
Copy. You're looking northwest now, shallow. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest shallow now.
Demon.
Nice hit, boys. Good job. With the headbutt. It's a headbutt. Then out.
Out. Huwag ginawa.
Help Raksasa in front.
Putang inang kidnap to. 10.
Saka na. May guard na ako.
Dep. Shaper.
Ay, A3 yan, A3!
A3. Try nyo dakotin. Wag na, layo na. Tara na. Out.
Romantic
Miss Walker
story.
shoes ha. Miss Walker shoes.
Ready, you're looking northwest now. Northwest of the crown. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just shallow. Nice hit, boys. Good job.
Looking na.
Defensive. Sige, naka-demon kami.
Na-GA.
Help Raksasa.
Raksasa mamatay to.
Matay. Nakidnap siya. Ready, you're looking shallow northwest now. Ready, on the choke. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just northwest shallow now. Nice hit, boys. Nice hit. Good job.
Sige lang.
35
Depront. Tell me when ready.
One more.
Okay, kaya yan.
Tell me when ready.
May longbow na yan.
Deep northwest on the... Copy.
Safe ka na.
Copy.
Sige, naka-demon ako dyan, Janel.
Yeah. Ready, deep northwest of the crown. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest of the crown now. Nicely done, boys. Help Z.
Sige, naka-guard doon ako dyan. Galaw.
Looking.
Just go out southwest side. Southeast side.
Yung ibang hills pa
Dep front.
Galaw, Janel. Galaw.
Just hold.
Meron pa.
Galing kayo dito sa stairs. Come to stairs. Ready. Northwest of the stairs now. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest of the stairs now.
Shaper. That's Shaper.
Nice.
Na-demon ko.
Good job. Walk.
May engage pa.
Okay
Help front.
Northeast.
Ready, Dep northeast. Ready, northeast now. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On them now. Hit them.
Walang mana.
Pull down pa ata. Tara. My bad. Come south a little bit. Come southwest a little bit. Copy.
Engage. Nag-engage sa front.
Ready, Dep front, okay? Okay, ready, Dep.
Hindi ko makuha yung banner dyan nila.
Copy.
Nag-heal kasi ako, nabibitaw pag nag-heal.
Copy. Just hold. Ready, shallow northwest now on the choke. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Layo.
Kamakas.
Looking na.
Ready, Dep front.
Naka-guard doon ako dyan.
Exalted
Pag full kill, yung
Just
tapakan
hold.
yung ano.
Shaper.
Shaper.
Ready, northwest now. On me now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Hit me.
Pain kayo dyan, at least stay. Uy! Sige lang. Galaw.
Focus kayo na, wala nang damage yan.
Nakuha ko yung banner.
Nicely done.
Parang mga may shaper.
Palo.
Kamang loot na ito. Dahil bangkay.
Ditang careful may mga kidnap sila.
Ready. Northwest over the wall. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest over the wall now. Nice hit. Link ka back pass. Ready, dep.
Ano ko lang.
Okay, nahilo na.
May weeping bomb na sila, ha?
Tang enang Zerg yan.
Tell me ready.
Uy, ganyan. Ano tayo?
Come southwest.
Feeling
A little bit. DPS, come southwest a little bit. Ready, northwest over the wall again. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Link ka back pass. Walk. Just hold the chokes. Hold the chokes. You're fine, Kenchan na.
Omelette dito.
Just hold.
Ang golem yan, no?
Itong ano to, longbow.
Just hold.
I-pray na auto ko, pre, para sa inyo.
Kiss double inside. Yung sa skull mark ko.
Bomb. Weeping bomb sa akin.
Whipping. Is
Boom. Pinakakalangit file.
Anong tier?
Layo nila, Janel.
Basta di siya
Kaya
masakit.
nga eh.
Jadel, pull ko tong northeast pa.
Ready, northeast now. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. On me now. Hit me. Nice hit, boys.
Northwest looking, care.
Everyone, Demon.
Come south.
Dalaw lang dyan, eh.
Yeah. You're fine, Kenchan na.
Ha? Kaya mo na yan.
Just hold.
Tama na yung frontline hit.
Ready, northwest shallow now. Just shallow. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow now. Hindi natin mapatay yung D-tank. Ah!
Grabe naman yung stun nun.
Tatlo na yung golem nila.
Hindi
Ah?
naman sumasabay sa engage.
Ito QR code.
Ako hindi.
Janel,
Different. Ready. Northwest over the wall now. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest over the wall now.
Jinel, 37
37 na.
Sige. Come south. Ready, dep.
Pushing on you hard.
Ready, dep. Yeah, just hold the choke. Tell me ready. Copy. Just hold the choke.
Pushing sila sa backline mo. Pushing sa
Come
backline.
inside. East. Kiss double inside. East more. Southeast now. Ready. Northwest now. Oh, by the bend. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is huge.
Southwest more.
Come northeast. Kite northeast. Keep walking. I died. Fuck, naglag ako ng sobra.
Keep going east. Keep going east.
Lang. Sige.
Look at the east side. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this choke. Trap. Keep walking east. Northeast. Kite.
BM south.
Keep walking northeast. Out battle mounts. Too much. Try to pills D-tank. Peel for your DPS D-tanks. Peel. Battle mounts and DPS go out.
Out ba yung ano? May problema.
What is that?
Out. Ping if you need help.